Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. This video shows the contractor pouring a commercial concrete driveway. The driveway is 24 foot wide and has a depth of 7 inches. The subgrade consists of 3% lime stabilized soil and is compacted to 95% dry density. The rebar is a number 4 bar set on 18-inch centers. The concrete is a 7-sack high-early mix, meaning it should achieve 80% of its strength in about 30 hours instead of the usual mix, which is 72 hours or more. You can see the sidewalk runs between the street and the driveway. The sidewalk will be poured to the same specifications as the driveway. The contractor pours the concrete fairly dry to prevent it from running downhill. That keeps the workers from having to pull the heavy concrete back up the driveway. The driveway is on a 14% grade or slope, and the maximum allowable here is 17%. What is the maximum allowable in your area? Leave it in the comments, please. The tools that the contractor will be using is a concrete shovel, or also known as a concrete rake, a hand trowel, a long-handled float, an edge trowel, a 2x6 board to level the concrete, and a broom for the finish. The board works really well leveling the concrete. Some contractors have a long squared piece of aluminum instead of a wooden board. The workers have to be fast. The concrete will start to set up in about 30 minutes. Look at this guy. I don't know why this guy walked in front of my camera. He could clearly see that I was videoing. You can see the worker using the float. It leaves a pretty good finish by itself. Notice how everybody works as a team. With the driveway poured and floated, the contractor moves on to the sidewalk. Notice how the worker is using the edge trowel. Here we are with the finished product. The driveway and sidewalk has a nice broom finish. The sidewalk is scored every 5 feet, and the driveway radius is also scored for a great look. Well, folks, that's it for the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. Tell us how you pour driveways in your area. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.